welcome back to Cynthia and Lesley Island Vibes. Today I'm going to make oxtail, highly requested. So guys, I already washed the oxtail with vinegar and lemon. You see it already here. So I'm just going to show you all guys how I'm going to season it. Now I have my blend seasoning here. I'm going to put on it. And then I'm going to stir it up a little bit. This is the oxtail, this is homemade seasoning. And stir it a little bit. Get it all masala down into it. And then I'm going to add our oxtail seasoning here. Turn it around, make sure everything is clean. The seasoning. So I don't put in too much because this is very salty too, so just a little bit for the oxtail. And I'm going to put a little bit of this other one here. Just going to put some pepperoni in it. Not much. And I'm going to stir it again. Then I'm going to put a little bit of rosemary, just a little bit, not too much because you know it's very high. A little bit of rosemary, a little bit of cinnamon, just spice it up a little, put a little bit of clove in it, nutmeg, clove, all purpose. A little bit of seasoning in it. Gotta season it very good. Not too much, not overpower. I don't need to add too much salt because everything here have a little salt. Then I'm going to add my garlic. Already crushed the garlic. Adding the garlic. I'm going to add my ginger. Then I'm going to add some scallion. See how beautiful it is? Fresh scallion. I'm going to add some bell pepper to brighten it up. And I'm going to add onion. Some people use onion powder, but I use just a fresh onion. Turn it again. Look how beautiful it looks. So then I'm going to add some black pepper. Of course, you must put black pepper. So add just a little tip of salt. Not much because everything's salt. And then I'm going to turn it. Make sure you massage it properly. I'm just going to put a little tip. So now I'm going to use my hand. I'll use my hand so everything could go into the oxtail. So Stir up the oxtail very well. Use my hand and rub it in good. So guys, look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Very, very beautiful. So now I finish the oxtail. So I'm going to turn the burner on. Where I'm going to put the oxtail to simmer down in the pot. Take time and everything juicy come into it before I do anything to it. So I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil into the pot, just a little bit to drizzle the oxtail because I already take all the fat off the skin, the oxtail. So I'm gonna keep it here. Next step, I'm gonna put my pimento. So I have my scotch bonnet, ginger, scallion, thyme. Everything is in here. All purpose, everything is inside this wonderful oxtail. So it's just going to be simmer in the pot. Take its time and to do nothing more. And so now I'm just going to rest down the oxtail in the pot. Look how beautiful it is. Look. Again, it's very big, but it will get down. You know, oxtail always get down to small pieces. So this should take about 30 minutes to cook. Into the texture into the oxtail. Look at this. It's smelling alone. So look at the oxtail, look. So I'm going to cover it down and let everything go into the oxtail. You turn up the heat a little bit. So it's supposed to turn the heat up a little bit. And you turn it down, turn it up. So everything will, all the juice from the oxtail take its own time and simmer down. So you're gonna look forward in 30 minutes. I will come back to you all. Okay guys, it was 30 minutes since I told you I put the oxtail into the pot. Simmer down, just take your time and get golden brown. Look at it here. So it's already simmered down here now. Coming to a boiling properly. Still on. So at the meanwhile this is on the fire, I'm going to deal with the rice. So guys, that's it for the oxtail, and then I'm going to deal with the rice. So I'm going to wash the rice. Okay guys, I'm going to put the rice in the pot. I put the rice in the pot. There's the rice. And I put a little salt into the rice. And then I'm going to rest my scallion on top of the rice. Just flavor up the rice. So I will get back to you when everything is coming close. I'll get back to you. I'm going to see how the rice came out and the oxtail. It's about 20 minutes since I'm going to check. This is the rice. This is the rice. I'm going to turn the rice off now. See how beautiful it is? Look. So this is the rice. So I'm going turn the rice off now because the rice is ready. So I already steamed down there. So I'm going to turn the stove off now on the rice. So this is the rice. It's well finished. So I'm going to put the cover on it now. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to now with the oxtail. As you know with oxtail, I leave it, take it time and simmer down without no water. Because I want to spring the own water from the oxtail, which is better. So I'm not going to add no water to the oxtail. So look at it. Look at the oxtail. So when it comes, we'll give it 1 more minute because you know oxtail have to take the time and cook properly. So they even come out from the bone. So this is it. Oxtail, see, take your time and golden brown into the pot by itself. So guys, I'll come back to you all again. A minute, it will take like 30 more minutes for this oxtail to cook. Okay, it's very hard. Right back with the oxtail, it takes about 1 hour and a half. So look at it now. Look how close, look how delicious is the oxtail. Look at it. Look at the oxtail. Look at it. Look at the oxtail, leaving off the bone. Look at the oxtail. Guys. Look at it. Look at the oxtail. So now I'm going to turn the stove off and then I will get back to you in 10 minutes. I should try to show you. Guys, so this is the oxtail presenting to you from my kitchen to your kitchen. Those who new, those who just come on my channel, like and share and subscribe. Put a thumbs up. And if it's ever to you, please subscribe to the channel. And all my subscribers, this is for you all today. From Cynthia Kitchen to your kitchen, all over the world. Thank you all so much for watching Cynthia and Lesley Kitchen.